In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an e-store on Facebook and sell without Shopify. To begin, open your web browser and go to Facebook Commerce Manager. This is the dashboard Facebook provides for creating and managing a shop, your product catalog, and how customers can discover your items across Facebook and related surfaces. It is best to do this on a desktop or laptop since the setup screens are easier to see and complete. Once you are inside Commerce Manager, look for the option to get started. Click Get Started, and then choose Create a Shop. This tells Facebook you want to build a storefront that customers can browse. As you go through the setup, move slowly and read each screen carefully so you pick the options that match how you plan to sell. Next, you will see a section that asks you to connect or sync a partner platform. You might see options like Shopify or other e-commerce providers. Since the goal here is to sell without Shopify, choose the option that says you do not use these platforms. This is sometimes labeled as a manual setup choice. Selecting this option keeps your shop standalone, meaning you will manage your products and shop details directly inside Facebook, rather than importing them from another service. After that, you will connect a business page. Choose the Facebook page that represents your brand or store. This is important because your shop needs a public-facing home for customers to recognize who they are buying from. Make sure you select the correct page, since the shop will appear tied to that brand identity. If you manage multiple pages, take an extra moment to confirm you are linking the one you want associated with your products. Continue through the prompts to finalize the connection and let Commerce Manager save your selections. At this point, you have started the process of creating your Facebook shop with a manual setup and a connected business page without using Shopify or another partner platform, and that is all there is to it.